Blessed is the people that know. They know the joyful sound. They shall walk, O Lord, in the light of thy countenance, because they know. Because they know the joyful sound. They shall walk in the light of thy countenance. Go to the next verse. In thy name they shall rejoice all the day, every day. It began by knowing the joyful sound. And in thy righteousness shall they be exalted. Go to verse 17. For thou art the glory of their strength, because they know. And in thy favor our horn shall be exalted, because they know the joyful sound. Some things just happen because there is something you know.